Hello everyone, welcome to this video. If you are starting from absolute zero and you want to understand digital marketing, this is the only video you need. By the end of this video, you will understand every major digital channel, which ones are the right for your business, what tools to use, and how to measure if it's working. First, we need to understand what is digital marketing. Digital marketing is simply using the internet to find and convert customers. That's it. Instead of billboard or a flyer, you use Google, Facebook, YouTube, email, content. The beauty of digital marketing versus traditional marketing is that every action is trackable. You know exactly what's working and what isn't. So you can see how traditional marketing works over here, and you can see how digital marketing works over here. So every action is trackable, know exactly what works, flexible, scalable, measurable, while traditional is expensive, infixable, no idea who saw it, hard to track. And this is the beauty of digital marketing. We have SEO, PPC, social, content, email. Go to channel one, SEO. So SEO, the full meaning is search engine optimization. So it's basically getting your business to show up on Google for free. It typically takes 3 to 6 months. This is best for business with some time but low budget. Think of blogs, website optimization, local listing. It can typically take 3 to 6 months, even up to 12 months, depending on your industry. Cost per click, $0, and it can last forever. So you can see here the local listing, Google Business Profile, Bing Places, Directory, essential for any local service. Website optimization, we have your page title, meta tag, site speed, mobile friendly design. These are signals Google reads every day. Blog and content, write helpful article answering what your customers search for. Each post is a permanent traffic asset. This is what search engine optimization basically is. So let's go to the second channel, pay per click advertisement. So pay per click is Google ads and Facebook ads. You can get with this works with immediate results but cost money. Best for businesses that need leads now and have a margin to support ad spend. Perfect example, a plumber, a dentist, a lawyer can do this, can even spend up to $500. So these are keywords. The first one, customer search, emergency plumber near me. Your ad enters a real-time auction. You win the auction. Ad appears at the top. Customer clicks, land on your website. You pay only for clicks, not impression. It's best for best margin industry, businesses needing leads now, and it's time sensitive. So PPC results in 24 hours. When you stop paying, you stop getting traffic. But for SEO, it takes more than 6 months. When you stop paying, traffic stays. Let's go to the next channel. Now we'll be looking at organic social media. Posting on Instagram, Facebook, TikTok, LinkedIn. Slow, this is slow to build, but it's free. Best combined with paid strategy. The goal is to build trust and stay top of mind with your existing audience. So you post, maybe you can post three to five times a day, and you can also combine this with paid ads. So you can see key insights. Organic social is slow to build, best to combine with ads for faster results. For you to grow organic social, it could take up to 6 months, depending on how consistent your posting, depending on your industry. When you combine organic social plus real social, then you could see good results. So let's take a look at the next channel, content marketing, blog posts, YouTube videos, podcasts, the long game. You create valuable content, it ranks on Google and YouTube, and it brings you traffic for years. This video you're currently watching right now is also content marketing. This is the structure: long post, YouTube video, podcast, create once and earn traffic forever. The example: 10 signs you need a new roof, drives local roofer inquiry. So this is a blog post. YouTube video, this video, like I said earlier on, this video you're watching is also like a content marketing. Let's take a look at the next channel. We have email marketing. Email marketing is the most underrated channel. Email has an average return on investment of $36 for every $1 spent. So you can build an email list from day one. You can use free tools like MailChimp. You can also contact up to 5,000 contacts without paying any single money. These are some recommendation of some tools. MailChimp is free. The perfect point, no credit card needed. You can contact up to 500 people. You can store email. So you can also use Kiavio, this is e-commerce. You can use active campaign automation. This is really good. You don't even need a website before you start building your email list. And even if social media goes down, Facebook goes down, your email list, you own it basically. You own your email list. So this is so underrated and it's something you don't need to look over. You need to use it. Let's go to the next channel. Tools to get started. So these are basically free and essential tools you need. Once you have these tools, you have everything figured out. So Google Analytics, you can track who visit your website, where they come from, what they do, and how long they stay. Google Search Console, this is also free. It shows which keywords your website ranks for, identify quick win opportunity to improve SEO. Meta Ads Manager, this is also free to use. Run Facebook and Instagram ads, highly precise targeting by interest, location, and behavior. Google Ads is also free. Run search ads, pay only when someone clicks, page on visibility from day one. So Canva is also free. They have the one you pay, but you can also use like the free tier. So you can design social media posts, ads, presentation, no design skills needed. You can just drag and drop. And for MailChimp, free, you can send email campaigns and automation sequence free up to 500 contacts. It's amazing. Perfect to start. I see. Now, how to measure success. So this is really important. This would show you how successful your campaign is. So the first one is the traffic. How many people are visiting your website or seeing your content? Source, you can check this with Google Analytics and you can track it weekly. So traffic high but leads low. Your website has a conversion problem. So if you're getting a lot of traffic but you're not getting those traffic to buy, basically your website has a conversion issue. The second one, leads. How many people are inquiring, calling, or signing up? This is the result of strong traffic plus good copy. Leads high, but sales low, your sales process follow-up needs work. So basically, you're getting leads, you're getting inquiry, but you're still not making sales. So this is basically sales is the bottleneck. So you need to work on how sales operates. You need to also work on the optimization. Now let's take a look at conversions. How many are actually buying, booking, or signing a contract? This is revenue. So you track this obviously. So conversion slow despite leads, pricing, trust, or speed to respond is the issue. So you need to take a look at all of these at each stage. For traffic, this is what you need to do. Traffic high but lead low, your website has a conversion problem. Leads, now you're getting leads, but you're still not making sales. So you know sales is the bottleneck. Now look at this again. Conversion low despite leads. So you know either there's a pricing issue, there's a trust issue, maybe there's a speed to respond issue. So track these three numbers every single week because marketing without measurement is basically you just guessing. Now let's take a look at this, everything together, the bigger picture. Which channel should you start with? So SEO, PPC, social, content, email. The cost for SEO basically $0. It's very slow. It just needs your time. It could take up to 12 months if you are patient with that. You could start off with that, or you can also integrate it. PPC $500 plus to start, depending on your industry, your location, and the cost per lead in your industry. You can see the speed is instant, longevity is rented. You need leads now and have ad budget. Social, $0. All you need to do is just keep posting every day or every other day, 3 times a week. Speed, medium, longevity, medium as well. You can post 3 times a week. Content, $0, slow. Longevity is also forever. You can create value lead content regularly. Email, $0 to start. It's really fast, it's high. You want the highest return on investment always. So this is a pro tip. Start with one channel and do it very well. Then layer in a second once you have consistency. So you can actually integrate all of this into your business. But you can start with one and track, then you scale. And if you want a professional to handle your marketing for you, do not hesitate to visit Sachi Digital and send a message. We'll be looking forward to help you.